We have an exciting new update to our client portal functionality. So I'm going to take you through what that looks like. At the moment, I'm on the business side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new project and make it very, very simple. So create a project I'm going to use myself as an example. This is going to go into the heat pump pipeline. So I create that project. Now, if I go and create a proposal, and I use one of my templates, let's pick the solar one. For some reason, I picked solar in the heat pump pipeline. Then I go to my groups, add some solar items, and I preview that. And I can see what it looks like, check I'm happy with it, great, and then I'm going to send that. So now that's sent. If I go to my emails, I'll be able to show you what this looks like from the client's point of view. So now I have my proposal, but I also have access to the portal. So if I step back a level, I come back to the project. Now, if there's any files shared or invoices or payments there, I'd be able to see those. But I also have access to the level above that. So if you've got multiple projects with a customer, they'd be able to access them all in one place. So I can see all of my complete projects that has been worked on before. So I can open that one. I can see the history, see if any shared files were there. I've got this one that's in progress. This one has a payment due on it. So I can see that. I can see a picture of a garden, apparently, an invoice there. So it keeps everything together in one place. And if I'm, say, a property agent or any kind of business with multiple properties, I can then search, say, by the address. All of those are BS1s, or the reference. So if I went to 1007, I'd be able to see that. I can see all that past history as well. The other thing that we can now do is you can provide that link for your customers to sign in. So if you add that to your website, they'll be able to go and put their email in, get sent a link, which will take them directly to the client portal. So let me just show you that. So back in the business settings, so I've gone to the top right here in my business account and my company and branding. Down at the bottom here, I've got access to my basically my client portal login. So it won't say staging in your example. So this can be used to sign in as an end customer. So if I were to copy that and you were to add that to your website, I'll just show you quickly what that looks like. So if I don't already have the access token stored in my browser, I get taken to this page. I put in my email address, and if that customer is linked to a customer in your Payaka instance, they will just get sent a link directly to go straight in and view all of their projects. So if someone's come back to you 2 years later and they want a service certificate, an installation certificate, something that's been shared, they can always click the link if you have that on your website, sign in, and they don't have to remember a password. It's just based on that magic link that gets sent to them if the customer exists in your business account. So it gives you a lot of functionality to make it much easier for your customers to access all of that information, keep everything in the one place in the same way that Payaka helps you do for your business. Check it out if you're on the growth plan or scale plan, and if you're interested in that client portal, please come and talk to us. Thanks.